How do you fix sore nipples from breastfeeding? It's really common to have sore nipples in the first several weeks after delivering your baby and when you're breastfeeding, because your body is getting used to somebody sucking on your breasts all the time. And during that time, as your body gets more used to it, there are definitely things that you can do to help with your sore nipples so that they don't get worse, and so that after those first couple weeks, breastfeeding can be pain-free. First thing I would recommend is to wear breast pads and change them out as frequently as you need to. If you are not leaking milk, you don't need to change them out very frequently, but you definitely don't want your nipples sitting in a milk-soaked nursing pad very often. You can also use saline soaks, where you would take a bowl of water, warm water, put salt in it, make a saline soak, and you can rest your breasts in that bowl. We don't want to be using a haka with Epsom salts in it. That can cause more damage to your nipples. So just doing a bowl of that saline, soaking your breast in it. You can also use other nipple ointments to help, whether that is an herbal nipple ointment, a coconut oil based nipple ointment. There are plenty out there to choose from, and they can be great options to help with healing your nipples. You can also use gel pads, and whether you get these in the hospital or you buy them from the store, they're going to look different. You can use them in different ways, but you'll put those on your nipples. They're very soothing and healing to your nipples. You can also use your own breast milk, hand expressing out a little bit of that colostrum or breast milk and rubbing it on your nipple can help to soothe and heal your nipple. You also want to reduce friction on your nipples. So occasionally, if your nipples are feeling really sore, you can actually take off your clothes, let your breasts and your nipples just breathe the fresh air and have nothing rubbing on them. That can be really soothing as well. And there are a couple other things that can help, like making sure your bra isn't too tight. You want a good, supportive, well-fitting bra, but we don't want it to be restrictive and putting pressure on your breast tissue while you're breastfeeding. And last, if nothing else is helping, if your nipples are getting worse, getting cracked, bleeding, having open sores, then what you can use is Medihoney. Medihoney can be really helpful to heal sores, cracks, and get your nipples back to normal so that you can have a pain-free breastfeeding journey. There are other things that could also be causing your nipples to be sore and tender that are not just from your nipples getting used to breastfeeding. So if you are having a painful latch every time baby latches onto the breast, it could be more of baby's latch and not just your body getting used to the sensation of breastfeeding. And in those cases, you'll want to meet with an International Board Certified Lactation Consultant, IBCLC, to assess baby's latch, assess baby's tongue movement and functionality, and figure out how we can help you and your baby to have the best breastfeeding journey possible. More questions to come to answer specific things about what to do with latch, as well as talking about tongue ties. Be sure to watch for those.